There's the captain there on the bow of Captain Marty's boat, doing his best impression of Simon Le Bon. Not quite sure the Solent is the Caribbean, but it's a beautiful sunny day here. We're racing back. It's been freshly serviced, the boat, so we managed to get top speed out of it, 31 knots. Unfortunately, we got rather carried away swimming in the Solent, having a barbecue and all those sorts of exciting things. And I missed covering the departure of the cruise ships because I was out on Captain Marty's boat. Sometimes people ask me why there isn't a live stream on this particular evening, and this is why, because I'm out here messing around on the water. But on the plus side, we got really up close and personal to ships as they came past. You'll see that in a second. There was 3 departures on this day, all right next to each other. We had absolutely fantastic view. First away was the Norwegian Dawn. Then hot on her heels was P&O Iona. Perfect day for a sail away. Red Funnel in hot pursuit. And then last but not least, the MSC Virtuosa. You really get to appreciate how large the cruise ships are when you're right down here on the water as they come sailing past. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. A little bit different. And yes, I shall keep my Simon Le Bon impressions hidden away in future. Till next time, shipmates.